Hi, I'm Holly Schroeder, President and CEO of the Santa Clarita Valley Economic Development Corporation, and we are celebrating our 10-year anniversary this year, and so we're sitting down with members of our board of directors to talk about what's changed and what's happening and what's going on with the EDC. So with me today is Gary Saenger, who is the founder and owner of Saenger and Associates, a human resources recruiting firm. So Gary, thanks for coming in.
Good to be here.
Good to be here.
Pleasure.
Tell us about the types of clients that you work with. Where are they? And
well, it's a broad range. You know, it's the public companies, it's the private companies. But in the industries that we work most in, it would be industrial products and aerospace and defense would be the biggest category of where we do our search work. Secondly would be the consumer products area. You know, companies that have something to do with manufacturing, and we help them either replace or hire a new manager or executive on their team.
Yeah. So there's your clients in Southern California or all over. There's certainly a surprising amount of manufacturing. That's a lot of things that people don't know about Southern California as to what a strong manufacturing hub it is.
That's actually been our biggest practice area since my founding of this 21 years ago. Where are they located? I'd say it's probably half and half. It's probably half in Southern California, the other half throughout the USA. It's the pulse of what really is happening in Santa Clarita, and the opportunity to really get very simple about attract companies and keep companies. And I think in the breadth of what this board has of 51 people, I think is the number. 51 folks with various kinds of professions and backgrounds and interests, for us then to make it better for those owners, those business general managers here in Santa Clarita, so they stay with us. And number two, you know, for the Logics of the world, for that kind of company to be attracted here, it's really a pleasure and it's an honor to be in the middle of this.
What are you excited about when you think ahead about the Santa Clarita Valley in general?
I love the development of all the new pads and all the new buildings that are going up. You know, we've got the 21,000 new homes that are going to happen out here at New Hall Ranch. I think as we really take care of our own, as we get some people off the freeway, they can stay here. They don't have to drive terrible distances for their commutes. I think that's all good.
Yeah, they get to enjoy the live and work in the same place that you and I get to enjoy.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so are you a morning person or a nighttime person?
I'm both, and that's pretty strange.
All right.
Yeah, I can sleep in on occasion, but no, 5, 6, 7 o'clock. Getting email exchange as far as the 3-hour difference on the East Coast. Mornings as far as or evenings as far as what it takes. You know, in terms of, I'm constantly trying to be the poster of Saenger Associates in the attraction of new clients. I can go both ways on that.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink, probably beer.
Okay.
Probably beer. You know, that works with me. I'm a farm boy originally from Idaho.
Okay.
And so mix in all this sports addiction that I have with the Dodgers, with UCLA basketball, with the Lakers, especially now that we're good this year.
So if you had to pick amongst those teams, or is that like a heresy question?
No.
What's your favorite sport?
I think the Dodgers probably would come out first overall.
All right. Well, Gary, thank you for sitting down with me today. Thanks for being a member of the EDC board and for everything you do for our community overall.
Thank you.
And if you'd like to learn more about the Santa Clarita Valley Economic Development Corporation, go to scvedc.org, and thank you for watching.